to the Late Show. Thanks so much for being here. I'm Stephen Colbert. Thanks for being here tonight. You know, hope you have a good time in here tonight. We enjoy doing this show for you every night, right? We have a good time out here on the show. And more importantly, in ways that you don't get to see, we enjoy making the show every day. And this part of the show that we're doing at the top of the show here, we usually write in my office around noon every day. And I understand when your office sits above Times Square like mine does, there's going to be noise. And as a New Yorker, I'm totally capable of drowning out horns honking or sirens or Times Square Elmo fights or gunshots or wounded Times Square Elmos begging for help and the usual New York stuff. But today, I gotta say, New York just took it up a notch because an unholy wail started from the street that sounded like a goose making love to a smoke detector. Did anybody, I don't know if you guys heard it today. It was so unbelievable. This is absolutely true. So unbelievable. I recorded it with my iPhone. Jim? Now, I have no idea where that sound came from. My first guess was land whales. Yeah. I thought maybe in desperation they beached themselves on 53rd Street and we were hearing them die. But then the sound stopped and we thought, okay, well, we can write this part of the show. And then a few minutes later we heard this.
Why aren't you rewriting today's show, Stephen?
God, it's hard to concentrate.
What does? I don't hear anything. I don't hear anything.
God, it makes it hard to concentrate on rewriting the show. Is that? Oh, God. No, I never found out what that sound was. I can only assume it was the end of the world. And this is being broadcast right now to a charred hellscape roamed by the damned. Either that or God was playing the largest crystal wine glass ever. The point is, the forces of darkness tried to stop me from doing a show for you tonight, but we are winning, folks. Because in spite of all that, we have a great show tonight. Come on. Boom. First up, I will be talking with comedian and actor Aziz